This is the 2022 Adria Supreme campervan, named after a chicken dish. This is the 640 SLB Supreme Twin. This thing here is going to cost over 60,000 euros, and the maximum payload on a 4-ton basis is 930 kilos, which, if you ask me, is quite a lot. So even if you do go on a spaghetti, Coca-Cola and crunchy bar diet, then you might be able to stay on it for some time. So in here, that's quite usual, standard. And there is Lisa's Lisa Automobil GmbH in Saxon Freizeitmobil. Well, left to the business card in there, in the sink. And what you've got with this new look from Italian company Carmann, with the 2 burners here, although not much space between the 2 of them. And indeed, I have to say this is not a good thing. It's you got the heat here and this can melt. I know, because I melted one. Not deliberately, I might add. Right, the kitchen comes, of course, with a fridge, which opens from Thetford, and that's what it looks like inside. That would suit me. And under the fridge, we have got a bit of a, not a bit, no, that's not the right word, sorry, it's got a proper, it's a wardrobe. That's not bad for a camper van. Here, we've got a step up, and this step up leads to the bed, and as it's one of these ones, you've got a bit of storage under here as well, a German layout one. That's what I want to say, not one of these ones. There we go. There's quite a lot of storage here, in my opinion, for a van of this size. This is 636 centimeters long, which I think I omitted to say. That comes up to reveal more storage, and here, if we undo this bolt, this goes down, and now I've got a problem with this, because it's difficult to get that thing back up. Now, there could be a good reason for having a hole here, for example, a space here. You might be transporting scaffolding. I know that a lot of people probably think of transporting scaffolding with them when they go away somewhere, so that would fit in through there. Also, you might want some skis or anything else which is long, like Doric columns or something along those lines. You might be going to Greece and you think, well, I'll just pinch a bit of the Colosseum, as my ancestors did 200 years ago. And oh right, there wasn't my ancestors, but here we have this bit here, which will come out if you don't want to sleep with the person you're sleeping with, or alternatively, you can lift the entire thing up completely, as may be clear from this here, or may not be clear. Let's see if I can lift it up. There you go. It sort of goes up a bit, and I don't want to destroy the entire bed. Wouldn't destroy it, but it's hard to take the bits on your with one hand. One thing I do notice, and I've got to say this, is that it's a very nice mattress. It seems to me to be a nice mattress. I don't know anything about mattresses, but that does seem to be a quality mattress, particularly when I'm comparing the van to other camper vans. Here, storage all the way back, and that gives you an idea of how deep it is. These things here, these buckles, are used when the bed goes up to hold. What you can do is you put the bed will go up, it'll stand against the wall, and it when you're carrying stuff inside. There you go, there's a light, comes on and off, and that one also comes on and off. There you go. Well, how's that for technology? Right, now this is a rather nice shower in layout, but let down unfortunately by the size of the drainage holes. I'm now coming in here, and I have a bag on my back, so I'm being careful and you can see how much space there is in there, and that's me in the mirror. Now, one thing you could do if you want is to have a shower, and you can do that by using this thing here, which is called the shower head. And you do that, you get access to that. You can just about do it from here, but probably what you're going to want to do is to pull this thing out here. It's joined to the wall via a magnet, so it comes out and then it looks like that. Just occurred to me that thing there looks like public toilet in France. I think they look like that. I've forgotten now. Haven't been there for such a long time. Right, so if I come in now, for example, you can't see me. I'm going to turn the thing around. There's me. I'm going to turn the thing back here. Right, can't really see, can you? Not a lot of room. I mean, it's a small van. I'll put the thing back again. It's a small van. So, but I really think that false wall doesn't work, in my opinion. It's just not enough space. And I have to say that I am not overtly fat, although I do have a bag on my back. Right, okay, table comes out, but we've got this sign saying don't bring the table out. And here we've also got a large drawer as well. Right, let's go and have a look at the back. Gives you an idea. You can see more about how these things come out, move out. You can take this off if you want. So, right, here we've got the gas cupboard, and down here we have storage, and up here we've got more storage, which you can't see because it's dark. You know, put it back. I'll open the gas cupboard as well. Right, go on. I'll do it. There you go. There's the gas cupboard. Right, okay, let's go and see another one here. They've got this twin 640 SGX Supreme at a cost of, same wasn't it? 60,100, something like that. Anyway, this is also a similar payload, and this comes with a bed like this. And what's clever about this is that this bed here will go up and down, and you can have it right up or right down, and you get a huge amount of storage at the back. I would demonstrate it. I can't, you have to see it in another video, but I have demonstrated in other ones. But that to me is a better layout if you're carrying things. In my opinion, you've got more flexibility. And I'll bring you around the back here. See, all of this space you've got there. Take that up there. So, and there's yet another one here, which is your twin 640 SLB plus. This thing is going to cost 58,000, 57,500, sorry, and looks exactly the same as the other one to me, just in a different colour. Plus 640 SLB. Twin plus 640 SLB. Only this one isn't Supreme. Ah, here it looks a bit different. Right, okay, so that is the 636 centimetre long Fiat Ducato based Adria Twin Supreme 640 SLB in its 2022 layout. I hope you found that interesting, and thanks for watching.